Welcome back to Court TV Live. I'm Joy Lim-Nakrin in for Michael Ayala tonight. Now, closing arguments in the Jinx murder trial are expected to begin tomorrow at 12 p.m. Eastern Time. And of course, Court TV will bring you those arguments live. In an ambitious case, the state of California has tried to prove that to the jury that Durst killed 3 people. They laid out evidence that says that they proved Durst killed his first wife, Kathy, who disappeared back in 1982, a crime he has never been charged with, and that he then killed his longtime friend, Susan Berman, in December of 2000. Of course, that is the crime he is officially charged with in California. The state says Durst killed Berman because she helped him cover up for the death of Kathy Durst. And then prosecutors say that in September of 2001, Durst killed his neighbor Morris Black while he was hiding from authorities in Galveston, Texas. Durst was actually acquitted of that murder. Over the course of 54 days of this California trial, the jury has heard a lot of testimony and they have seen a movie. Well, the biggest testimony has come from Robert Durst himself, who denies murdering anyone. In his 15 days on the stand, we have seen Durst laugh and get angry. We have also seen him admit to misspeaking on an occasion or two. Let's take a look back at some of those moments throughout California versus Robert Durst.
You would agree, Mr. Durst, there have been a lot of times in this trial when you say something, I then put up a clip that says something directly different out of your own mouth, and your response has been, I misspoke, correct?
No.
Sustained. Stricken.
Who was it that directed you to say hi to Mommy while she was outside on the roof?
My mother's father, my maternal grandfather.
Can you explain why you told Andrew Jarecki that it was your father?
I misspoke. When we were playing Go Fish or Uno or Frisbee or whatever, it was always Mommy and Bobby against Daddy and Douglas.
The Frisbee was not invented until 1957, and that the game Uno was not invented until 1971. Can you explain why it was that you testified to what you've now said was a vivid memory involved?
I misspoke. I think I misspoke when I said I get a big kick out of beating the government.
What did you mean when you say you misspoke? What did you intend to say?
I think I was going along with one of Andrew's hints. I wouldn't like to live in the same building as Susan Berman.
Mr. Durst, didn't you just say that, no, my point was I wouldn't want to live in the same apartment, but I'm happy living in the same building? That's what you just testified to, correct?
Correct.
That's not what you said 4 days ago, correct?
I misspoke.
Mr. Durst, you have testified, depending on your version, that he tripped from the leg of the table or that he tripped on the chair leg. You agree those are not the same thing, correct?
I misspoke when I said leg from the table.
You would agree you either lying under oath in Galveston when you said 6:15 or lying under oath on August 16th when you said it was 8 or 9, correct? They can't both be true.
When I said 8 or 9, I misspoke.
And it's your position, Mr. Durst, that your misspeaking was just a issue with your memory recollection, is that correct?
Correct.
You could not have bought a bow saw at Chalmers after Morris Black's death, correct?
Correct.
I want to play another clip for you, Mr. Durst.
I mean, the whole thing is contradictory. The whole 3 paragraphs I said to Andrew are contradictory.
Right, an alternative explanation would be, Mr. Durst, that you cannot keep your lies straight and that you are telling partial truths about having bought a saw at Chalmers.
An alternative is that I misspoke. I was confused when I spoke to him.
You talking about the fact that Kathy was buried would seem, Mr. Durst, you would agree, to be implying that you know, in fact, that she was buried, correct?
So when I said buried, I misspoke.
Well, when you say you misspoke, Mr. Durst, Was I talking about where Kathy was buried?
You were talking about a hypothetical if she was dead.
Did I mention her being buried at all?
No,
Who's the only person that mentioned her being buried?
me.
Oh, you know what? There is a typo in my, thank you. So, among the big lies that you've told was about not having traveled to Los Angeles in December.
You misspoke.
No, it's a typo in my outline. And then I misspoke both.
Very clear. The record is correct.
Yeah, no, that's not what I meant.
John's mistake.
Yeah, my mistake. Absolutely. Twice. Writing it down and then speaking about it.